Good morning. With just 1 month left for your Arunachal Pradesh PSC, the mains examination, what are the 10 most important topics with respect to Arunachal Pradesh that you must cover in your before your forthcoming examination? And we would be discussing the key topics for today. Ensure that you are covering those topics wholeheartedly, highly probable in your GS as well as your optional. So, let's say if we are talking about one of the topics from political science, if you have an optional with political science, you can see such a question there as well, right? So to begin with, the very first and the most important topic is the Indo-China border dispute. Now, specifically focusing on the Tawang sector, the Tawang area, the strategic significance of Arunachal Pradesh, the recent clashes, the development of the super dam structure in Tibet, and its implications over Arunachal Pradesh. The diplomatic implications again become very important. The second is the infrastructure projects in Arunachal Pradesh. Under infrastructure, Sela Tunnel is one such example. Then Trans Arunachal Highway, projects which focuses on advanced landing grounds, the connectivity projects and projects related to national security become important. Specifically, the developments of roads, bridges, airports, and India's strategic preparedness with respect to China as one of the frontiers is really important. The third is environmental. Now, under the environmental, glacial lake outburst flood, very important topic for those with geography optional as well, and the increasing number of HEP projects in Arunachal Pradesh. The basic idea, sorry. The basic idea here is to understand the impact on the biodiversity, the flora, the endemic species of the region. Again, with the establishment of HEP power projects, the hydroelectric power projects, how the indigenous native people are being displaced, the climatic condition implications, the climate change, and we can say the downstream effects of establishing a hydroelectric power plant. What could be the alternative sources of energy that can be brought into the region? The next important topic is the indigenous communities. Very example. Arunachal Pradesh, very important example. The Arunachal Pradesh actually is home to numerous tribal and indigenous populations, and therefore forest rights, the forest acts, land rights, talking about the preservation of culture, impact of the various development projects on displacement of the people, the rehabilitation of the people, participation of local people in governance, again for students with public administration becomes important. The next is tourism in Arunachal Pradesh. Now, when it comes to tourism, focusing on specifically the domains, for example, ecotourism, adventure tourism, we could say tourism related to culture, tourism related to community based tourism, or we could say the ethnic views that could be given under tourism becomes important. The next is connectivity of Arunachal Pradesh with the remaining northeast. So again, here we would say it's very important to cover the Act East policy. Act East policy is one of the major policies that you must actually cover for your Arunachal Pradesh mains examination. Besides this, we would also recommend that you cover the various trade and commerce and people to people exchange programs in the regions of Northeast. The next important is infiltration. So, insurgencies, AFSPA, then you have border security, the community participation in security and its implications. Then we already talked about the GLOF, the flash floods. Again, this would have an implication on the changes in the agricultural pattern. Of course, I'm taking a lot of geographical and environmental topic. So students from geography and environment would definitely have or face certain kind of questions in their examination, either for their mains or for your optional as well. Then healthcare and education, another important aspect. So literacy, infrastructure, hospital facilities, talking about the government initiatives and challenges in development of the remote areas, Then preservation of culture, so tribal festivals, tribal heritage, the individual tribes, and then their culture, their food, their clothing, their key aspects become important. Promotion of tourism in the regions of Arunachal Pradesh, as we already discussed, is an integral part of development of the tribal communities, because cultural tourism is one such tourism that can definitely be promoted in those areas. So those are some of the really important topics that we found from the regions of Arunachal Pradesh, and relation of Arunachal Pradesh to its neighboring states. But yes, we would definitely recommend that with this 1 month left, you go for the PYQs and practice the questions which are available here. Now the syllabus for UPSC and Arunachal Pradesh means is actually the same. So if you go through the study material and the PYQs, you would get a comprehensive idea about what kind of questions you can expect in your forthcoming examination. Wish you all the best, prepare well, and wish you good luck. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect on the number given. Thanks a lot.